Okay, good morning class, welcome back. Today we shall be starting off with the 6th chapter, that is changing faces of the cities. Alright, now in this chapter we shall be learning about how the cities, the structure of the cities are changing and what are the things that is leading to these changes of the cities. Alright, now one of the main reasons why cities are changing, alright, one of the main reasons why the size of the cities are changing is because the population is increasing. Alright, now this is because people are migrating from the rural areas to the urban areas, mainly looking for jobs. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to learn in the changing faces of cities is we are going to learn about what are cities called when they have more than 1 million population. Alright, okay, a town or a city which has a population which is more than 1 million is known as a million plus city. Simple. Alright, so what do you mean by million plus city? A million plus city is a city or a town which has a population more than 1 million plus. Alright, now the other definition that you have to know is mega city. Alright, the first one is million plus. It is a town or a city which has 1 million more than 1 million population. The other one is mega city. Now what do you mean by a mega city? A mega city is a city or a town which has a population more than 10 million plus. Alright, now in India also we have the 3 major cities or towns which have more than 10 million population. These are the main 3 that you have to remember. Alright, now the first one with the highest amount of a number of population is Mumbai. Alright, it has a population of 18.4 million. It is in page number 56. Alright, so please look at that. Now Mumbai is the city with the largest population. It has 18.4 million plus population. Alright, now the second one is Delhi with 16.3 million plus population, and the third one is Kolkata, also known as Calcutta, with 14.1 million plus population. Alright, so these are the 3 mega cities in India whose name and the population you have to remember. Alright, so please remember, if I give you a question, name the 3 mega cities, or what is a mega city, and name the mega cities in India along with their population. So you have to write Mumbai 18.4 million plus, then Delhi 16.3 million plus, and Kolkata with 14.1 million plus population. Okay, now another topic that you have to learn today is what do you mean by a satellite town? Now you know that because of the increasing population there is an overpopulation. Alright, there is something called the concept of overpopulation in the urban areas. Now because of this, see, just because there is overpopulation in the urban areas, it is not that there is no stoppage of people coming from the rural areas to the urban areas. People are still migrating, people are still flocking from the rural areas to the urban areas. So a lot of pressure is created, right? A lot of pressure is put on the facilities, that is, see, the different facilities that is required for people to survive in the urban areas. A lot of pressure, like first thing is housing facilities, then you have water supply, then you have electricity, then you have transportation. So all these basic necessities, a pressure is put on the facilities of the urban area. So what is happening is, now you know that if this is, just for example, this is Kolkata, this is the main city, Calcutta. Alright, now because people are flocking from all over this areas, there is a lot of congestion, there is population pressure and lot of other pressure. So now a saturation level, so saturation means the maximum amount of people that can live in Calcutta. Alright, so what happens is now the government and even private enterprises have started building on the outskirts of the city Calcutta. They have started building small towns, alright, where they build the same facilities which are available in the main city. Alright, so what do you mean by a satellite city? A satellite city is a kind of a branch city. Alright, now see, for example, you have the main tree and then you have the main branches, and if you look at the main tree and the branches, these branches are just a part of the main tree. Alright, it is a part, and they also depend upon the main tree for their food. So the satellite towns also depend, see, it is a kind of independent city. Alright, it is a kind of independent city where they have their own facilities. Whatever facilities are available in the main city, it is also available in the satellite towns. But the only difference is that these satellite towns are they have been planned in such a way that putting in mind, like keeping in mind every problem that is occurring in the main city. Alright, so what they are doing is, now see, they can see, now they have looked, see, when they are building a satellite town on the outskirts of Calcutta, they see that Calcutta is extremely polluted and it is very, very congested. People do not have time for recreation. There is no place for recreation. Alright, it is very crowded. So they build the housing facilities in such a way that, now you also know that Calcutta is very expensive. Alright, so poor people and the low middle class or even the middle class people will not be able to afford a proper housing. So these satellite towns are built in such a way that even the marginalized society or the marginalized families will be able to afford a proper housing for their family. Alright, with all the basic amenities, proper drinking water, sanitation facility, garbage disposal facilities, proper airing, and another thing is they also have recreation. That means they also have parks. They also have parks or swimming pools where they can go and spend some leisure time. Alright, and the other thing is the facilities that these satellite towns are using. Alright, they use it, or the production that takes place or the facilities in these towns are used in a sustainable way. That means all the production that happens here, all the activities that takes place here happens in such a way, like I said, it is a planned town. They have already planned. Alright, looking at the mistakes of the main town, they have built another town, alright, with all the facilities, but they have made it in such a way that there is less pollution, there is less congestion. Alright, the same facilities are available at a lower rate, but the only thing is that it is away from the main town. Alright, so this is a mega city, and all those small towns with similar facilities, is known as a satellite city. And the best example that I can give you is, everybody has gone down to Siliguri. So everybody who has gone down to Siliguri has also crossed a place called Salugara. Yes or no? Now if you look at Salugara, most of the things that you require is available. You may not find everything. Alright, you may not find shopping malls, but in and around you have Bega Mall. Alright, Bega Mall, you have Bega Mall there. Alright, so there are other malls also. Then you have all those recreational facilities. You have hotels there. You have 5-star hotels there. You have shopping mall there. You can also go and watch movies there. Then whatever, see, all those people, some people would not like to go down to Siliguri directly because of the congestion, because of all those different pollution level. Alright, so what they do is they go down to Salugara and they find the same facilities. Alright, now Salugara cannot be considered as a proper satellite town, but it is a town where you find the nearest to the main city, you find a lot of facilities available. Alright, but this is just an example, but Salugara cannot be considered as a proper satellite town, because a satellite town is also, or satellite city is also a smart city. Alright, so just an example, near the main city, alright, near the main and the large city, a small city is built, alright, with proper planning, and or with all the facilities that are available in the main town, alright, or the main city. So what do you mean by satellite towns? Now the concept of satellite towns, it is also known as a new town. So because this town is built newly, alright, by the government in collaboration with the private enterprises, and they built it, alright, they had newly built it with all the planning system. Alright, now this is done. Now why do you think new towns are built? Now new towns are built so that the pressure on the main town is reduced. Alright, so if these type of small towns, many towns, smart cities are built, then instead of flocking directly to these cities, people will now stop going to these cities, and because the pollution level in these small towns are less, and the facilities that are available is similar to the main city. Alright, so definition of million plus and mega city we've done. We've also done the concept or the changing faces of cities, and the main one we've done the satellite cities. Alright, now the last part I'm going to do for today is a few examples of satellite cities. Now a few examples of million plus and mega cities I've already told you. Now you have to know a few definitions. Alright, like see, the mega cities we have Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi and Calcutta. Now we also have few small smart city, satellite cities for these mega cities, for Mumbai, Delhi and Calcutta. So what are the names of these satellite cities? Okay, the first one is we have Rohini, Dwarka and Narela for Delhi. Alright, so you can write any two, Rohini and Dwarka. Alright, the Rohini and Dwarka is a satellite city for the main city Delhi. Okay, and for Calcutta we have something called Salt Lake and Rajarhat. Rajarhat, I don't think so it's given here, so please add Rajarhat also. Only Salt Lake city is given. Salt Lake and Rajarhat is a satellite city for the main city Calcutta, and we have Yelahanka for Bangalore. So similarly, now in India for Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata, just like we have satellite cities, internationally also we have a few satellite cities like Brisbane, Queensland for Australia. Then we have Noida, Greater Noida, Pimpri, Chinwad, Rajarhat, Dankuni, and all these small satellite cities you have to learn for India. So the main one, what you have to learn is you have to learn which are the three main mega cities and what are their satellite city. Alright, the name of the satellite cities. So today we shall be doing till here. In the next class I shall be starting with the features of smart city and also the features of satellite towns in page number 57.